Mix Pascual. Forward number 11, Paul Sanga. They are led by Master J.K. John Calios, assistant coaches Gilbert Cole. At guard number 23, Mike Alvarez. The head coach is Toto Duhilio with the team manager Jose Babaya, team owner John Gilbor.
Game officials are J. Castroverde, Maynard Centeno, and Grace Vicente. Fourth referee is Ron Baluyot.
Nilang head coach. Yung assistant coach din dun Tigre rin pala. Okay, si Jun Dizon, dating teammate ko.
Oo nga.
No? And then yung pangalawa, syempre, yung kasama namin sa Rebanse na si Joe Gomez Deliano. Maganda ang nilaro niya yun. Ang tawag namin ni Mika doon, the Rebanse effect.
Peter Manalang inside. Yahar, former Muntinlupa Cager, able to score underneath.
Dahil sinanay mo kami na alam mo ang lahat ng bagay even before we asked of it, hindi ka sigurado.
This was the game between Ginebra and Mobileye. Ginebra was the 8th seed.
Okay.
Yun yung buzzer-beating basket ni Baldavid.
There was a time, once upon a time, early in my basketball career na nag-corporate job ako, believe it or not. Akala ko yun ang maging direksyon ko. Pero nung mariregular na ako, hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan, nag-resign na ako the next day kasi yun nga, Coach Toto at the management ng Big Chin tumawag sa akin. Tayo sila ng team at ako unang nilang tinawagan at that time. This was the year 2009. Tinignan ko yung pagkakita natin sa kanya tinignan ko yung kaliwang kamay niya.
Oh.
Wala pa ako nakikita ng sing-sing. So, shout out Vince! Dating sa pang-5 taon.
Last play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
And I'm just...
Ayun nga, no, yung imprint ni Coach Toto, also former Caloocan head coach.
Correct.
Desoyo, the spin cycle off the glass move. That was a tough shot. The 10-point lead over Negros.
Well, no twist of fate here for these two teams because both at the bottom of the standings. But, okay, the good news is, after tonight, may uuwing 2 panalo at nabanggit mo nga kanina, the 10th spot right now sa kanilang division. Only 2 games ang difference, no? With Bacolod at 4 wins. So that should be,
Actually, 3 wins lang.
for the lack of a better word, good news.
Layup galing kay Brian Lacap. Negros pushing the pace. Mike Alvarez short stab. Wala. Ang ilaw na kuha ay rebound. Desoyo behind the back pass. Lars Sunga will finish.
That was looked to be a fake behind the back slightly and then tinuloy niya na yung behind the back pass. No? Ganda nun.
Up by a dozen, Sarangani. Fast break points. Huge edge gather in that department. 18-4. Diahar nails the free. Sunga, good pass inside. Marila will stick it in. Itong free throw na ito, atin sa atin yan ng Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Oo, tama. Puroy, subugod sa loob, lays it in for 2. Puroy, kicks it out to Valiano, back to Pantimbuhan. Touch passing. Brillantes, a lot of contact, able to finish. Desoyo off the dribble. Bounce pass, bit tight. Sunga catches. And he will score in the paint. Hands it off to Mix Pascual. Balik kay Lars. Nawala sa kanya yung bola. Negros, tumatakbo dito. Pagkakataon na makalabang. Manalang slithers inside for 2 and they now have the lead.
Pumasok tayo sa third quarter. Lamang ang Sarangani. But less than 3 minutes, lamang na ang Negros.
Last play of the game brought to you by Sports. Everything but the finish that time though by Mike Alvarez.
Nakakap na naman ang naka-rebound. No? Masipag kumuha ng mga rebounds to.
Desoyo throws it away. Manalang pushing it. Manalang goes to coast for the layup. For the community.
You're continuing to disappoint me today. Hindi mo na naman alam. Okay. Usually, 11 out of 10 times, alam mo lahat. Ano ba meron sa araw na to, Ken?
Dignadice, second triple. Look out, Mike Alvarez lost it but recovers just in time to finish the fast break. Lamang na ng Siabang Negros.
Alam mo, pang all-star yung play na yun. Parang binounce sa sarili, no? It's actually a recovery.
Estacio stands still free.
Galing tira yun.
65-57. Lakap, sumugod sa loob. Plays it in off the glass. Siguro ilang buwan na lang din, no? Bago yung all-star game natin.
Saan ba gaganapin?
Hindi ko alam. Baka naman pati yun.
Na naman? Sana all. Pag walang uwing pasalubong yung mga yan, sabihin natin kay Miss Ras at sa kila Direk, huwag nang papasukin sa mga games. Estacio.
Pasok yung tres. Paul Razalan is now in for Negros. Hachi Inigo, that's a tough shot.
Pwede.
Juan Tansico yung rebound. Puroy, wraparound pass sa loob. Marilao will score. 12 points for Danny Marilao.
Yan talagang role ni Danny Marilao before the improvement, the coast to coast. He's a finisher inside the paint, knows where to go, yung mga open spots, agaw, lakap, easiest layup of the game. Timeout.
Estacio in and out dribble. Brillantes, control line jumper. Pops out. Uy! And one. Kay Tosi.
Wala nang nangyaring coast to coast. Naalala mo kay Manalang, dalawa. And then nagkaroon siya
Closing out this quarter on a 9-0
Yun lang.
run. Pero nakawala si Hachi Inigo.
Binabawi ko na, yung sinabi ko. Kasama bang foul? Yung kala niya dadaan sa screen, sumundot sa likod. Lahat na noon.
Fourth quarter underway. Lakap nakawala.
Ayun, walang struggle yun.
Gusto mo na yan.
Nakakatuwa yung mga ganyang pabati, no? Mga volleyball players na nanonood ng basketball.
Estacio, pasok yan. He has found the range tonight. Leland Estacio. Alex fades away. Left that one short. Marilao, napulot yung rebound.
Palpal, ni Bulawan.
She'll face off against Maya Joint. Second round, yung mga tennis fans dyan. Yan mga yan eh. Kagaya nila Boss Manny, mga one-of-one. Diba?
Yeah. That's a great point.
Naagaw ng Negros. Diputado, bubukol sa tres. Yes!
Love the reaction after by Diputado.
Another offensive rebound by Sarangani. And they make them pay this time. Estacio, with escape act, now has 20 points.
Not so much real estate on that baseline and still went for the baseline drive with a beautiful move. Bulawan, nice finish.
In traffic, Bulawan. Baba ulit sa apat ang labang. Bad pass. Ian. Soyo. Pull up. Good. Nakay Desoyo ang bola.
Sanga sa corner. Ayan na. Una ba?
Pero nakuha pa rin nila yung bola.
Pangalawa
Sanga.
ba? Extra
Good
pass.
Desoyo all day to shoot. Wala pa din. Bulawan.
All the way to.
Oh, jab!
All the way.
Coast to coast.
Really, aside from being one language, international ang game, obviously, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, but it also unites people in a way, na nagiging mas malalim yung relationship. No doubt kung bakit nandito ulit si Paul Sanga sa Sarangani, obviously a much better situation sa kanya compared nung huling kupunan niya with Iloilo na ngayon ay naglaho na ng tuluyan.
98-90 after that made basket. Bulawan has had a solid output tonight. They lead by 8. Kaduyak. Oh, that's a strong move by Raymar Kaduyak.
Pinuli. Yung depensa doon. Not sure who that was, pero dire-diretso. Itong si Kaduyak. Paul Sanga, ang hirap na tira yan. Short.
Inigo nakawala. Good pass. Bulawan.
Uy! Oh! Acrobatic! Ang ganda naman nun. Parang nag-squat sa air. Ayun, oh.
Jump shot. Desoyo. Wala. Another offensive rebound. 26 offensive rebounds. And those second chance points coming in handy for Sarangani. 8 ang abante ng Sarangani. Achi. Gandang pasa sa ilalim. Kaduyak will score.
Leads all scorers, I believe. Kaduyak. Ganda ng pasa doon. Sabi mo nga, ni Inigo.
Yeah, 18 points leading the scoring parade for Negros, but they're still down by 6. Still a lot of time though. 70 seconds remaining. Tancinco lines it up. Hook it from downtown. Accustomed to seeing him doing, especially when he was with Zamboanga.
Credit Marilao, no? We mentioned of how he has been masipag sa mga...
Pero pito pa, kailangan nilang punuin. Estacio, pasa kay Desoyo, travel. Negros, chance to cut the lead further.
Not sure why they were in a hurry. They were fortunate enough, lock up with the baseline drive galing sa kaliwa. Napalpal, nabalik sa kanila ang bola, pero minadali nila yun.
Hindi sila naka-convert. Throws it away on that possession.
I can't
Desoyo.
believe that shot.
9.4 seconds left. Kaduyak. And mawawala pa sa kanya yung bola. And that's gonna do it. Sarangani will hold on for the victory. And snapping